Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below. I try to post 2 times a week, but you know, sometimes life gets in the way and we don't get there. So count on 1 time a week. Anyways, today's video is actually a different one. I wasn't scared to make this type of video. I'm just nervous to see what people are gonna say. But basically, you're coming dumpster diving with me. Only Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because obviously I'm at school during the week, so it's just gonna be like a weekend dumpster diving trip. But basically, let me just do a little disclaimer. It's not illegal where I live, so if you're worried about legal issues, don't worry. And then as far as people thinking it's gross, I do use hand sanitizer after I do it. Sometimes I bring gloves, sometimes I'm like on a whim, so I don't always have gloves, but I always make sure that I'm sanitary and that I wash my hands and use hand sanitizer. Basically, let me give you the gist. Stores will throw things out that are either like returned, that they can't resell, damages, sometimes like the floor merchandise, like stuff that's on display. Got my iced matcha green tea latte. But basically, I just wanted to kind of explain to you guys because I know some people think this is weird. I've been doing it for like quite some time now. I watch videos on YouTube of people doing it, so I know it's not just me. Like, it's a thing people actually do. But I guess it's just like what your preference is. Like, some people think it's gross. Like, I take my friends with me and like they don't mind. Like, they think it's cool because they're getting free stuff that otherwise would have been thrown out. So yeah, if you want to see what I got from the dumpster, just keep on watching. So this weekend we're going dumpster diving every night, and we just went to Home Goods, but we didn't find anything, and they never usually had anything, but it was worth the shot. So now we're gonna go to Kirkland's and Bath and Body Works and Michael's, because Michael's is right there. I'll show you guys if we find anything there. Nothing but boxes. Chair. So I'm bright red, but we went to Bath and Body Works and there was nothing but cardboard and like regular trash in it. And then the Michael's one, someone was throwing out the trash, so I was too much of a wimp to go back. But in Kirkland's, I found a whole chair that you can't really see. That I'll show you when we get back to Ryan's house, but okay. There's literally nothing wrong with this chair. And the price tag said it was $80, so I just got an $80 chair for free. We love that. $79.99. So it's the morning after I found the chair and I came to get Starbucks, and the Starbucks, why am I like out of breath, is right where like I dumpster dive for Kirkland's and Bath and Body Works and that kind of stuff. So I think I might just scoot over there because last night it was I don't know, we went kind of early. Like, stores close at 9 and like that's when we went, and they usually throw stuff out a little later than that. So I think like that's why I saw the Michael's lady taking out the trash and there was nothing in Bath and Body Works. So I think I'm just gonna see a little bit. If I don't find anything, I don't even know if I'll include this, but just to let you guys know. So I didn't get myself going into the dumpster because I had to hoist myself in there, but I did find 2 candles, so that's exciting. I'll show you when I get home like what they actually are. Yet, but there's a purple one, and that one looks, oh, there's 2 in there. Well, that one, those look kind of used, but this one looks pretty full. So, hey guys, sorry that I look super rough, but it's really cold and it's Saturday night and we're about to go dumpster diving. We're going to all the stores tonight, so hopefully we find some good stuff. So I don't even know if I'll put the clip of me going into the Joann's dumpster because it's literally so dark you can't see. It's literally in like an alley. But basically, last time I went, I found this massive box of patterns and then just some like scattered. So I saw it again. So I tried to grab as many as I could. But I'm like 5'2". I can't really like reach into these dumpsters that well. So we're going to swing back around in a little bit and go back there. And Ryan's gonna try to grab the box out. We're just trying to like let all the stores close, cause although like it's not illegal, I still get like sketched out when employees are there or like they come out. I don't know, like not that I'm embarrassed, but like it's just weird. Like I feel like they're gonna be like, what are you doing? So there was nothing in Bath and Body Works. There was a broken clock in Kirkland's, and Michael's didn't have anything in it. So we're gonna go check Bed Bath & Beyond and then go back to Home Goods and Joann's to get the goods. So this is the aftermath of going in the Joann's dumpster. The entire back seat is full with patterns. So the only thing we got from Home Goods is this mug. There's literally nothing wrong with it except for that chip right there. But it's perfectly good mug. Did we find a lot of stuff?
Yeah.
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
So it's Sunday night. We just went to Joann's and there's nothing. And Home Goods isn't closed till 8. So we have to wait. But now we're gonna go to Kirkland's and Bath and Body Works, and then Michael's over there, and then Bed Bath and Beyond, and maybe Ollie's. So I'll let you know if we find anything. Looks like someone already went through this. So tonight was dud. It's also raining, so maybe no one took out their trash because they're scared of the rain. But we didn't find anything, so sorry that this video is ending on a dud.
Sorry.
That's all I have for you guys.